In Myanmar, the earthquake victims are needed help. On March 28th, at approximately noon, a 7.7 magnitude earthquake struck near Sagaing in central Myanmar, resulting in widespread devastation across the country. Neighboring Thailand also experienced tremors, and the earthquake's impact was felt in several regions of Myanmar, including Mandalay Region, Shan State, Pyi Taw, Bago Region, and Yangon Region. The disaster caused significant structural damage, with homes, religious sites, and historic buildings reduced to rubble. Many individuals remain trapped under the debris as families endure the anguish of waiting for rescue operations.
Navy or key a tight Kunazanga the Mudima, type you are Alma Louis Bini, Kujandi, Kade, La Diluva. Did you be Kade, La Viva Ondo? Navy or key a tight Kunazanga, the Mudinu Neava.
Rescue and relief teams are working tirelessly to locate survivors and recover the deceased, but their efforts are severely hindered by limited resources and equipment. The United States Geological Survey, USGS, has projected that the number of fatalities could range from 10,000 to 100,000, underscoring the severity of this catastrophe. As of 8 p.m. on March 30th, reliable sources, news media have confirmed that the death toll has already reached 2,928, and this number is expected to rise further as efforts continue.